Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, and check out this beautiful 2016 Chevy 3500 HD High Country Duramax Diesel four-wheel drive. This truck is in beautiful condition. It's like brand new. Factory tow package, rear park assist, backup camera, nice spray and bed liner with the easy open tailgate. No holes in the bed. Power sliding rear window. XD wheels are 20 inches in diameter. You've got 35, 12, 50, R20 tires. These are Nitto Terra grapplers. Cab lights, tow mirrors, road armor front bumper with front park assist. You've got the LED rigid lights in the front. This is a very, very clean truck. Hard to find 1-ton single-wheel long-bed Duramax as well. And it's fully loaded. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. With the High Country truck, you get this nice saddle brown leather interior. Memory driver's seat, power fold mirrors, Bose stereo, of course, full leather seating inside the truck. Power seats both sides. They are heated and cooled. You've got the nice white pinstriping around the piping. High Country embroidered in the back of the headrest. Factory trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive switch. There's your headlight controls. You've got a tilt and a telescoping steering wheel. These are for your the front rigid lights in the bumper. You've got a heated steering wheel. You've got the crash assistance. You've got lane departure. 64,650 miles. Got the big nav screen. This does have MyLink, so you do have it set up if you want to have like Android or Apple phone connectivity to your truck. CD player, automatic dual zone climate controls. There's your heated and cooled seats. Adjustable foot pedal, traction control, rear cargo lamp. That button right there also turns on the lights in the mirrors. Park assist, lane departure, factory exhaust brake. Nice big center console. You've got the wireless charging capability as well. Factory sunroof. Your sunroof and rear sliding window controls are all right here in your overhead. You've got home link for your built-in garage door opener. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the back seat of the truck now. All the door panels on this truck are in beautiful shape. The rear seats, again, are in beautiful shape. The whole interior is super clean. The exterior is super clean. The truck has been really well cared for. The seats flip up. All the carpet's in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. There are no odors in this truck. Here's another look at your dash. It's just a nice example of a clean, used Duramax Diesel. Passenger seats powered just like the driver's side. Dash is in beautiful shape. We've got the books with everything. We'll go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.6 liter LML Duramax Diesel. Very, very clean truck. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this truck, you can reach me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing and I do take trades. Thank you.